Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up our Vimeo plugin. Let's start by going to Playlists and open an existing playlist. Now, let's add a new slide, and let's open up Social Plugins and find Vimeo. When I've added the Vimeo plugin, I can move it around and resize it, or I can use one of the tools we find in the toolbar. The first thing I have to do is replace the default video URL with the one I've copied from Vimeo. With that done, I have a couple of options I can choose from. I can set the quality of the video, and in my example, I'll go with auto. I can toggle mute on and off. I can toggle loop on and off. If I toggle loop on, the video will simply loop for the duration of the slide. I can toggle show video controls on and off. I can specify where the video should start. For example, if I put in 20 seconds, the video will start at 20 seconds. The last option is captions. But keep in mind, not all videos have captions, so you should check that first. If a video has captions and you'd like to show them, you'd put EN for English. You might have to check the video on Vimeo to figure out what captions are available. When I am done, I can click Preview to check out how it would look on my TVs. That was all for today. Thanks for listening.